morning to you, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well. My name is Ellen. St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, and I've got a treat for y'all. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all some mint chocolate chip cookies. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. Thebomb.com delicious. And the best part about this recipe, we are using a white cake mix. Oh yes. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these. It's going to be full of mint and chocolate goodness. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Irish soda bread recipe and my previous video, Buttery Soul Sister Pound Cake. I'll post the link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your cake mix, your chocolate chips, and your green food coloring sugar, because we're about to bake some mint chocolate chip cookies magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in a 15.25 ounce package of white cake mix. And into our cake mix, we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to whisk them all together until they're well combined, or you can sift them if you like. So now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my stand mixer with the paddle attachment, or you can use a large bowl with an electric hand mixer, I have a half a cup, which is 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature. You can also use salted butter if you like. And we're going to cream the butter on medium speed until it's fluffy. Alright, my friends, to our butter, we're going to add in 2 extra large eggs at room temperature, a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of pure peppermint extract, and our green food coloring. I'm doing 25 drops. And mix all together until they're well blended. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add in our cake mix mixture. I'm going to add in a little at a time using my 1 cup measurement. And mix. Alright, last of the cake mix, and continue mixing until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my cookie dough, and this is what it looks like. Look at that beautiful green. It's nice and thick. I can smell the peppermint extract. Now there's one more thing we got to add to it. The chocolate chips. We're going to add in 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, or you can use the dark chocolate chips, the mint chocolate chips, or the Andes mint chocolate candies, whatever your heart desire. And fold them in. Oh, ain't nothing like mint and chocolate. One of my favorite combinations. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish folding in my chocolate chips, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through folding in my chocolate chips. So now we're going to cover the bowl with plastic wrap. So now we're going to place the cookie dough in the refrigerator. We're going to let it chill for 30 minutes. Alright, my friends, our cookie dough is nice and chill. Excellent. Now we are ready to form them in the cookies. So we're going to use my cookie scoop. And we're going to scoop and shape them into 1-inch balls, like so. just like that. And we're going to place them on a 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that are lined with parchment paper, or you can use aluminum foil. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I got all my cookies together, and this recipe makes 18 cookies. So now we are ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let it bake for 11 minutes, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I have taken my cookies out of the oven. And it smells heavenly. Nothing like the smell of freshly baked cookies. So now I'm going to let them rest in the pan for about 8 minutes. All right, my friends, it's been 8 minutes. So now we're going to place the cookies onto a cooling rack. So now we're going to let the cookies cool completely. And as soon as they cool, I'll place them onto my cake stand, and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Mint chocolate chip cake mix cookies. Don't they look good and purty? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at this cookie. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Have a bite. Look at that texture. It's soft and chewy, and I can taste the peppermint, and the chocolate chips is nice and gooey. These mint chocolate chip cookies are divine, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Mint chocolate chip cookie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. Also, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy St. Patrick's Day.